Model, 63-plate Ford Transit 2 TDCI-125PS 280 medium wheelbase, Mr. DCIV Trend front-wheel drive factory crew cab. Body, silver, crew cab. Mileage, 186,000. MOT, the 14th of October 2024. Engine, 2198 cc 2.2125 PS TDCI-H. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. Starts and drives brilliantly, no warning lights on the dash, grin. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, 2 former keepers, electric windows, parking sensors, cruise control, aircon. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures.